Good morning, student. Our exercise 4.2 has done, and now we are starting your exercise 4.3. Here we have a first sum is determine whether the following rational number are in the lowest form or not. Now, under this sum, we have here a four rational numbers are given, and question is this: check out these rational numbers are in the lowest form or not. So how can we find कि these are in the lowest form have or not? So first rational number, first question, rational number is here 65 over 84. We need to check the firstly HCF. If HCF of 65 and 84 is 1, it means it is in the lowest form. Rather than 1, any number will come of it in HCF, it means the given rational number is not in lowest form. And now here we will use long division method for finding the HCF. So how can we use? We will take a 84 as a dividend and 65 as a divisor. Then next is divide. Now 65 is divisor. How can we solve the division? 65 1 या 65 बढ़ा लूँगी 65 को 2 के साथ करेंगे तो बढ़ जाती है. देन आई विल टेक इट हेयर 65 1 या 65. देन नाउ लेफ्ट इट हेयर आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन 19. Again 19 as a divisor, and dividend you will take a first the previous divisor. Okay, like is this. Now divide on 19 3 57. Then left is here we have 8. Again now 8 is a divisor and dividend is 19. Then 8 1 या 8 8 2 16 8 3 8 या 24 वो बढ़ जाता है. Then I will take it 8 2 19 8 2 sorry 16. After subtraction left it here 3. Next now 3 is divisor and dividend is 8. 3 2 6 3 3 9. वो 9 3 के टेबल पे नहीं जाएगा, 3 3 पे नहीं जाएगा, किस पे जाएगा? 3 2 6 पे जाएगा. 8 2 8 में से 6 गए तो कितने बच गए? 2. अब हमारा डिवाइज़र क्या है? 2 एंड डिविडेंड क्या है? 3. 2 1 या 2 लेफ्ट इज़ 1. नाउ 1 इज़ डिवाइज़र एंड 2 इज़ डिविडेंड एंड 1 2 2. Now remainder is 0. It means we have to follow this one procedure up to getting a remainder. When a remainder will come a 0 and the last divisor come 1, it means that is your HCF. 1 will come, it means 65 over 84 is in the lowest form. लॉन्ग डिवीज़न मेथड के साथ हमने ये सॉल्व करना है. और कब तक सॉल्व करना है? जब हमारे पास रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो ना आ जाए. जब हमारे पास रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो आ जाएगा तो जो हमारा लास्ट डिवाइज़र होगा वो हमारा क्या होगा? HCF होगा. अगर तो वो लास्ट डिवाइज़र 1 आ रहा है, इट मीन्स मतलब मीन्स हेयर अगर हमारे पास HCF 1 आ जाता है, इट मीन्स गिवन रैशनल नंबर इज इन द लोएस्ट form. So we have a first rational number, first sum is in the lowest form. Now second part I am doing again. Look at here. Now we have a minus 15 over 32 rational number. Firstly find out the LCF of minus 15 and 32. Now smaller term take as a dividend and greater term take as dividend and smaller as a divisor. When you are doing a division, then don't take a minus sign with in division. So now 15 1 है 15 15 2 are 30. तो 15 3 45 वो बढ़ जाएगा तो क्या लोगे? 15 2 30 लेंगे हम. आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन वी हैव अ 2. अब 2 इज अ डिवाइजर एंड डिविडेंड क्या है हमारे पास? 15. किस पे जाएगा? 7 के टेबल 7 पे. 2 7 14. कट करके 1 आ गया, अब 2 है एंड 1 2 2 कट हो गया, ठीक है। नाउ वी हैव अ रिमाइंडर इज 0 एंड HCF इज क्या आ गया 1, देयरफॉर -15/32 इज इन द लोएस्ट फॉर्म. Similarly, you will solve the next two parts. Got it, beta? You will perform the long division up to a dead step when you get the remainder 0. If you get the remainder 0, it means the last divisor it's coming a 1. So given rational number is in the lowest form. If the last divisor is not 1 rather than when any term is coming, so it means HCF. So it means given rational number is not in the lowest form. Now we have a second sum. Express each of the following rational number to the lowest form. In the previous sum, you just need to check the given rational number in the lowest form have or not. But now we have to express a given rational number in the lowest form. Same procedure of HCF, previous one, we will use it here. Find out the HCF of 4 and 22. Now 22 take inside and 4. 4 5 20. Left is 2. 2 is divisor and 4 is dividend. Now 2 2 4. It means now our remainder is 0 has came, but here HCF is 2. Got it? Then next step, for converting a given rational number in lowest form, we will divide numerator and denominator by 2. Numerator and denominator divided by HCF. Now HCF is here, we have a 2. It means we will divide numerator and denominator by 2. So doing a division numerator and denominator by 2. Now we have our answer is here 4 divided 2. What will come 2 and 22 को 2 के साथ करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 11. It means it is your lowest term. It's your answer. Got it, beta? Now second sum. Here we have a negative rational number -36 and 180. So we have to convert this one rational number in the lowest form. First of all, check the HCF of 36 and 180. We will take a bigger in the inside, take as a dividend and 36 as a divisor. Now compare 36 और ये 18 छोटा है तो हम फुल टर्म लेंगे. अब 36 1 या 36, और अब हम इसको अगर 36 को 2 पे करते हैं तो क्या आएगा 72. ये छोटा है इससे. 36 को अगर मैं 5 से करती हूँ तो 6 5 या 30, 3 रह गया तो 6 5 3 या 15 एंड 3 क्या हो गया 180. मतलब ये हम 5 के टेबल पे अगर 36 को 5 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें तो प्रॉपर ये डिवाइड हो जाता है. तो मैंने क्या किया, इसको 5 ले लिया क्वेश्चन और ये डिवाइड हो गया. तो यहाँ पे क्या बच गया हमारे पास रिमाइंडर 0. अगर हमारे पास रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है इट मीन्स ये जो डिवाइज़र है ये हमारा क्या है HCF. इट मीन HCF ऑफ 36 एंड 180 इज हियर 36. दिस इज for your rough work, no need to do on your fair, you have to check for your understanding only. Now divide numerator and denominator by 36. By HCF, for converting in the lowest term we have to divide a numerator and denominator by HCF, and we have HCF is here 36. So next step is -36 over 180 divide with 36, divide with 36. Next answer will come -1 over 5. It's your answer. Now it is a lowest term of the given rational number. Clear? Got it, beta? If they are saying, अगर तो वो कह रहे हैं कि just determine, find out करो कि given rational number lowest में है कि नहीं है, तो हमने यहाँ तक का प्रोसीजर करना है. अगर वो कहते हैं कि नेक्स्ट एक्सप्रेस करो, तो हमने जो भी HCF आता है उसके साथ न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड कर देना है, और डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आंसर बच जाता है डेट इज़ योर लोएस्ट टर्म। अगर तो HCF 1 आ जाए इट मीन्स डेट इज इन द लोएस्ट टर्म. अगर HCF rather than 1 any term is coming, it means that is not in the lowest term. And for bringing a given rational number in lowest form, we have to divide numerator and denominator by HCF. Why we are doing? For converting into lowest. अगर तो यहाँ पे 1 आ जाता तो ऑलरेडी लोवेस्ट टर्म थी, बट नहीं 1 आया, तो इसलिए हमने न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को जो भी HCF आया उसके साथ डिवाइड किया, तो जो हमारे पास आंसर आ गया that is a lowest term. Got it? First two part I have done, next you will do. So third is your homework also, fill in the blanks that you will solve on the book, no need to do on the your notebook, but first two part you will solve, first two sum you will solve on your notebook. Got it beta? Thanks and have a nice day.